If you're currently dealing with upper back pain, I'm going to show you how to relieve it with a 10-minute upper back pain routine. You're going to start laying on your side on a pillow. Bring that top knee onto the ground and your arm in front. Take your top arm now and slowly come up and open up that chest, upper back, and your shoulder. We're going to go nice and controlled and slow. Make sure you're breathing. Got 2 more on this side. Just be really mindful about your movement as you go through all this. Really trying to work on opening up that upper back. If you don't have a pillow, by the way, you could also use a foam roller. All right, let's switch sides. Lie on your side, that top knee on the ground, arms out, and slowly open. We got 5 more to do on this side. And we got 3 more. Make sure you're breathing. And last one. Excellent. From here, we're going to go into an all-fours position. You can move that pillow off to your side. In an all-fours position, now what we're going to do is you're going to slowly arch your back, push those hips up, and then slowly bring your head to the sky. Reverse it, drop your head, slowly push up on those shoulders, tuck your hips underneath. And slowly arch that back again. Come on up. And reverse. Don't forget to breathe. I really like to push on my shoulders. And slowly come up. Last one here. And then you're going to come down and just relax. From here, still in that all-fours position, we're going to slowly take one hand and then you're going to thread it underneath you and slowly try to extend that shoulder down to the ground. See if you can touch. Slowly come up and then open up the other side. Again, come through. Try to get that shoulder on the ground. Come up and open. And we got 2 more. Remember, only going up as high as comfortable. Don't really try to force it and push past into pain, because that's not really going to help your body move better, because everything's going to get all stressed and tensed out. All right, let's switch sides now. Slowly coming with that other side. And open. down and through. Try to get that shoulder on the ground. And open. Down and through. And open. Last two. And last one here. Lastly, we're going to go onto our back. Laying on your back nice and comfortable. Put both palms together on top of your stomach. And then what you're going to do is slowly bring your hands up towards your face. Try to get your forearms together as you come back and touch behind your head. Then slowly open your elbows out to the side and glide them down and around. Back to palms together. And then we got 5 more now. Make sure when you come up and back, your low back is not popping off the ground. And you're really trying to just keep everything gently pressed into the floor the whole time. We have 3 more. Don't forget to keep breathing, being very mindful, opening up those shoulders, pushing into the mid back, and then we'll do our last one here. Wonderful. When you're ready, you can come on up. I hope you found this quick 10-minute routine helpful for your upper back. You can also do more sets and just extend the length you do those exercises to really help open up that mid back.